Hi, good morning everyone. Today, this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a hem for denim. So we're having two different types of hemming for they call it back to original fold. They have two types of back to original fold. The other ones is just like this. This one is already hem, but the inside is they having extra fabric like this. So the other one is like the fabric is they put it inside. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's start it. So the tools that we just only need is only rollers, tape measures, tailor joke, and scissors. So I have two denims that I need to fix with the original fold. So I'm gonna show you how to measures, how to take out the length that you want to be. For example, this denim I just only want 26 inch, so it's 26. I just started 26 inch to the crotch of the denim. So I gonna say 26 over here, and I taking a mark over here. You can either way, you just start up top to the bottoms, and you can mark that 26 inches, and after that 26 inches you fold it straight. Make it sure that the top is even. So this is the 26 mark, and then I make a roller to straight mark it, and I put the 26 lines, that line. So you can give allowance. Make it sure that you always having allowance before you cut, for the allowance for the sewing. So you always put allowance like 1/4 before you cut. After I cut, this is how it look like. And now I cut the bottoms that I cut for 1/2 inch start for the sewing. I cut all around, and this how looks like. There we go. So now when I cut already, I going to sew around. Make it sure that this stitch inseam sewing is matched together, and put together and sew it all the way around. This is how it look like. And after that, I going to overlock this. This is how it look like when I overlock already. It's clean and nice. And I going to tap 1/16 on the top, sewing again all the way around. There you go. It's 1/16 only. Going around, And done. It's so simple and easy. This is how it looks like when it's already done. It looks like original and beautiful and so easy and simple. And I clean it, trim the other extra thread, and this is finished. It's very easy. I hope you like it and you enjoy it. It's very easy and you can do it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and you understand. See you for the next video, and I hope you enjoy and I have more you learn more, and I take another videos for the other hemming back to original fold maybe tomorrow, and I'm making part 1 and part 2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel para lagi kayong update sa lahat ng mga gagawin ko pang mga tutorial for sewing and alterations. Thank you very much, and thank you for your support.